Hello children, welcome back to the class. I hope everyone are doing well and safe at home. So today we have already finished the midterm portions. No, so your exam is near, so we have to practice for the exam. So for that I'll give the revision and the pattern today. Okay, so everyone watch the video properly and learn properly. Okay, before giving the revision, what you have to do, see, same answers and same questions I will not give. Okay, I am just telling the pattern, how the questions will be there and how you have to write the answers. Okay, but you have to refer all classwork, textbook and your worksheet which we have given. Okay children, so don't just go through only this. So you have to see all the questions from your textbook and you have to learn everything which we have given. Okay, so in this pattern and in this revision and for your exam, firstly it will, the main will be the, yes, choose the correct answers. Okay, choose the correct answers will be there. Okay, for this we will get choose the correct answers means multiple choice questions, MCQ will be there, means for these questions we will give 4 options. Okay, 4 options will be there like A, B, C and D. So in this, which one is correct for the given questions, which option will be correct for the given questions, you have to select any one question, one answer, then you have to write. Okay, if in these questions any tick mark is be there means, so you can't do tick mark, so for that everything you have to write the answers. Okay, so like this you can see this is the multiple choice question, and multiple choice questions will be, yes, 15 questions will be there. Okay, so for that 15 you have to choose the correct answers. Okay, all 15 choose the correct answers will be there. Okay, like this you can see here. First one you can see 20 plus 40 is dash. Okay, so 20 plus 40 is dash. If you know the answer means it will be easy. Okay, so other than the options will be there. Okay, in this any one answer is correct, so you have to choose. So 20 plus 40 is option 66, B option 68, C option 60 and D option 63 is there. So 20 plus 40 is equal to what children? Yes, the answers, yes, in these 4 options you have to choose. Yes, where is the answer here? Yes, 60. 20 plus 40 is equal to what? 60 is the correct answer. So here 60 is there. You can't put tick mark for the question, for the given options. So what you have to do means you have to write in the exam paper or exam book, which in book we have to write that in that book you have to write the main number and the option name, either A, either B or either C or either D. So which one is correct, that option also you have to write, then option answer also you have to write like this. Okay, if C 60 is correct, you have to write C option and 60. Okay children, so next one is which number shows 230. 230 is here, number names are there. So number 230 numeral means number is which one here? Option A 213, option B 203, option C 320, option D 230. So which one is right here? Yes, that is option D. That means 230. It is a numeral for the number names 230. Okay, next one is 500 minus 200. In this 500 we will cancel 200 means how many numbers will be left? Yes, see the options. Yes, here 300 is the answer. Okay children, so 300 you have to write here. Okay, so like this questions will be there and you have to choose any one answer, correct answer, then you have to write. Next one is a bee has 2 wings. Okay, so this is like a story problem. Okay, a bee has 2 wings. So how many wings do 6 bees have? Okay, so this is the what? Yes, multiplication question. So a bee has 2 wings means, so all 6 bees how many has? If we will count together means, yes, that is 12. Okay, for 6 bees there will be 12 wings. Okay, so like this correct answer you have to write. Next is short form of 2 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to what? Okay, so this is the addition, plus is there, no? So this is the addition. You have to count first. 2 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to what children? Yes, that is 7. Okay, so 7 answer you have to write. Next one is number comes in between 200 and 202 is. In this what you have to write? Between number you have to write. 200 and 202 between which number comes? Yes, 201 number come in between 200 and 202. Okay, next one is write the missing numbers 711, 712, dash, 714 and 715. In this blank, in this bracket the numbers will be there. So in this which number is missing, that you have to see from their options and you have to select. Yes, 711 after 712 is there. 712 after which number comes? Yes, 713 will come. So 713 you have to write in the given answer. Next one is 199 plus 1 is equal to what? So options will be there. You have to select one. Which one? Yes, 199 plus 1 is equal to 200. Okay children, so like this the options, 4 options will be there. In this 3 options will be wrong and 1 options will be right for the given question, so that you have to select which one is correct answer. Okay, next one is which one of the following is correct. Okay, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is there. 4, next B option, 4 times 2 is equal to 6 is there. 2 times 6 is equal to 12 is there. Next question is which one of the following is correct. So in this 4 option will be there. So 4 options problems are there. Which one is correct you have to write. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is there. Next 4 times 2 is equal to 6 is there. 3 times 6 is equal to 12 is there. Next 6 plus 3 is equal to 8 is there. So which one is correct here? Yes, that is 4 plus 2 is equal to, yes, 6 is correct, because 4 times 2 is equal to what? Yes, that is wrong. 6 is wrong because 4 times 2 is equal to 12, right? So here 3 times 6 is equal to what children? Yes, that is 18. No. Yes, next, so that is also wrong. Here 6 plus 3 is equal to 8 is there. Is it right? No, because 6 plus 3 is equal to what? Yes, that is 9. Okay, so answer is 4 plus 2 because 4, 5, 6. No, so first option is right. So like this you have to write. Next one is find the missing numbers. 5 plus dash is equal to 11. So if you want 11, the answer means 5 plus which number you have to write here? Yes, 5 plus 6 is 6 you have to write. Okay, so if you add 5 plus 6 we will get the answer 11. Okay, it means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, if we'll add all these two numbers we will get answer 11. If we'll add 5 plus 7 means it will not get correct answer. If we'll add 5 plus 4 means we will not get 11 answer. If we'll add 5 plus 5 means we will not get 11 answer. Okay, so like this you have to write. Next one is find the missing numbers. 3 minus dash is equal to 3. If we'll 3 minus which number if we had to add, we have to add to get answer 3 means, yes, that is 0. No, 3 minus 1 is equal to what? 2. That is wrong. Next 3 minus 2 is equal to what? 1. That is also wrong. 3 minus 3 is equal to what? That is 0. That is wrong. But 3 minus 0 is equal to what? 3. So we got the number, we got the answer, that is 0. Next one is which is the correct number name for 25. There you have to write, select the number name. Which one? Yes, that is 25 is the correct answer. Okay, next one is use the correct symbol in the blank. Okay, use the correct symbol in the blank you have to write. So here 12 dash 18 is there. 12 dash 18 is there. So which is the correct symbol here children? Yes, see the options here. A option greater than is there, B option is equal to is there, C option, yes, A option less than is there, B option is equal to is there, C option greater than is there, D option none of this, means in this answer is not there like that. Okay, so in this 12 dash 18 which symbol we have to write here? Yes, 12 and 18, which one is number greater number? 18 is the greater number, so 12 is the lesser number. So what we have to write? Yes, that is lesser number you have to write. Okay, so in this which one is correct answer? Yes, that is lesser number you have to write. Next one is the biggest number among 56, 28, 39, 68 is. Okay, so here which one is big number children? Yes, 39, 28, 68 or 56? Yes, that is 68. No, so 68 you have to write here. Next one is 7 fours are dash. What 7 fours are, children? If you don't know correct means you have to read the tables. Okay, that means 7 fours are 28 you have to write. Okay, children. And the next one is the product of 9 times 1 is equal to what? So here you can say as 9 ones are dash. So 9 ones are what, children? Yes, that is 9. So like this we have to write. Okay, so answer is here 8, 7, 4 are 9. Yes, answer is 9. So 9 you have to write. Okay, next one is name this number just after, yes, just after 3 times 6 means 3 6 are. 3 6 are how many numbers? Yes, that is 18. Okay, 3 6 are 18, no, children? Yes, so if you count 3 times 6 also we'll get 18. So 18 you have to write. Next one is 2 times 5 or means 2 5s are. Okay, so if you know the tables means we can find the multiplication answers. Means 2 times 5 means what? 2 times 5 or 2 5s are what, children? Yes, 10. 2 times 5 will count. That means we'll get the answer 10. So 10 is the correct answer. So 10 you have to write. Next, add 100 and 20 is. If we'll add 100 and 20 means plus 20. Okay, if we'll add 100 plus 20 means 120. No, yes, 120 where is there? Yes, in A option 120 will be there. So you have to choose that answer. Next one is 6 plus 4 plus 7 is equal to what? So all 3 numbers also we have to add, then we will write the correct answer. So if you add all the 3 numbers, then you can see that options will be there. So which one is correct number? Yes, 17. Okay. Okay, 17 will be there. So 17 is the correct option. Next one is write the place value of the given number. You know, no, place value and face value. So here only you have to write the place value, means 6 in 6. What will be there? Yes, there is only single digit, so number will be the same, means 6 in 6. Means 6 is the place value. Okay. Next, 9 in 19. 9 in 19. Okay, so here 19 is there. So 19 means 9 is at 1's place, 1 is at 10's place. So place value of 9 is, so 9 where here? In the 1's place. So 9 only the answer. Okay, so 9 is the place value of 19. Next, 5 in 45. Here also in 45, 5 is at 1's place. No, so 5 is the answer. Next, 7 in 71. 71 you can see in 71 1 is at 1's place and 7 is at 10's place. So what you have to write? 7 is at 10's place. No, so for 7 10's place means what we have to write? 70, because that is a 2 digit number. So 7 is at 10's place, so I have to write 70. Next, 2 in 12. So in 12, 2 is at 1's place, so here the place value will be 2. 8 in 80. So 8 in 80, 8 is at 10's place, not 1's place. So 10's place means 80 you have to write. 4 in 43. In 43, 4 is at 10's place and 3 is at 1's place. So here 4 we want. 4 is at 10's place means 40 you have to write. 1 in 91. So in 91, 1 is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place. So 1 we want place value. For 1 it is a 1 only. Okay children, so like this you have to write. Okay, in this any numbers I can give, so you have to write the correct answer. Okay children, so but pattern will be like this. So like this you have to write. Next one is arrange the numbers in ascending order. As we know, ascending means small number to big number. 76, 10, 39 and 54. So in this which one is small number? Yes, 10. Next which one number come? 39. Next 54. Next 76. So like this small number to big number you have to arrange. Next 65, 37, 74 and 12. So here in this, yes, 12 is the small number. Next which number comes? 37, 65 and 74. Next 646, 123, 316 and 291. Which one is small number here? 123, 291, 316, 646. Next one is 923, 538, 438 and 548. First which number small? Yes, 438, 538, 548, next 923. Okay, like this we have to write. Next one is 899, 501, 654 and 844. Which one is small number? 501, 654, next 848, 844 and 899. Okay children, so like this we have to write. First small number, then big number for ascending order. Next one, arrange the numbers in descending order, means big number to small number. First we have to write big number, 33, 52, 46 and 64. Which one is big number? 50, yes, 64 is a big number, next 52, next 46, next 33. Like this you have to write. Next one is, which one is small number? Yes, big number. Yes, 88, 63, 47 and 17. Next one is big, which one is big number? 689, 594, 487 and 148. Okay, in the next problem see, which one is big number? Yes, 902, 456, 320 and 132. Okay, in the next problem, which one is big number? Yes, that is 595, 462, yes, 325 and the last one is 321. Okay, is it clear children? So for us descending order, first big number you write, then come to small number. Okay, you can write only the answers. Okay children, is it clear? Okay. Next, add the following numbers, means you have to add these numbers and you have to write the answers in the given blanks. First one is 9 plus 8 is equal to what? Yes, that is 17. 7 plus 6 is equal to what? 13. 8 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to what? 19. 7 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 12. 4 plus 7 plus 0 is equal to, yes, 11. 5 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to, yes, 10, because 0 means nothing. So answers we have to write in the given blanks. Okay children, you can write only the answers for these options also, for this main also. Next, story problem, read and solve. Here story problems also will be there. So you have to read carefully, then you have to write the answer. Raju bought 7 oranges and Suresh bought 6 oranges. How many oranges this they buy in all? So all the oranges, Raju's 7 oranges and Suresh 6 oranges. All the oranges you have to count together. Means first 7 Raju brought, next 6 Suresh bought. So all if we'll count means, yes, we have to add. If we'll count all the oranges means that is 13. Yes, 13 oranges all together both are brought. Okay children, so like this we have to write the answer. Sachin scored 146 runs in first innings and 232 runs in the second innings. So in this test, so we have to all scores we have to match from first innings and from second innings we have to count all. First 146, next innings, second innings 232. So we have to add 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 2, yes, 3. Okay children, so like this we'll count all the scores means we'll get 338 scores. So like this we have to add the numbers, story problem. Next, subtract the following numbers. So in the first one, 5 minus 6 what? So in this 5 minus 6 we can't cancel 6. So what we have to take is 110 we have to take from 7. So here now 15 minus 6 we have to cancel. That is 9. Next here how many number will be there? Yes, there is 6 number. So what we have to write? 6 we have to write. So here next one, 7 minus 2 is equal to, yes, 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So like this you have to write. Next one is 2 minus 4. We can't take 2 minus 4. So what we have to do? 110 we have to take from 310. So now 12 minus 4, 8. So here what number will be there? Yes, 2 number will be there. Okay, so now 2 minus 1, yes, that is 1. Okay children. The next one is 94 minus 67. So 4 minus 7 we can't cancel. 1 we have to take from 9, 10. Now 14 minus 7, yes, that is 7. So in this 10's place how many are there now? Yes, 8 number is there. So now 8 minus 6, how many numbers will be there? Yes, that is 2 will be there. Answer is 727. Like this you have to write. Next one, 3-digit problem. First one side, 9 minus 1, 8. 4 minus 3, yes, 1. Next go to hundreds place, that is 2. Here also 8 minus 5, yes, that is 3. Next in the tens place, 6 minus 4, 2. In the hundreds place, 9 minus 4, that is 5. Okay children, so like this we have to subtract the following numbers. Next, to multiply the following numbers. As I said, the tables are very important for multiplication problems. So here you can see 9 times 4 are there. 9 times 4 means, as we can say, 9 in 9 4s are. 9 4s are what children? Yes, 36. So like this you have to write. Next, 4 times 5. 4 times 5 means 4 5s are 20. Okay, next 3 times 4. Okay, 3 times 4 means 3 times 4 we have to count, means 3 4s are, okay, so 12. Next one is 8 3s are, yes, 24. 6 3s are 18. 5 5s are 25. Okay, if you know the tables means you can easily add the given multiplication number. Okay, next one is write the table of. Okay, so here I have already said you have to by heart all the tables. Okay, in which table I will not say, but I will give any 1 or 2 tables from 2 1s are 2 to 10 1s are 10. Okay, so you have to by heart all the tables. In that 1 or 2 tables I will give, so you have to write 2 tables. Okay, so any tables I can give, so you have to practice all the tables children. Okay, so this is the pattern and the revision for your midterm exam. Okay, so study well everyone, and only this I can't give. Okay, I can give other questions also, but the pattern will be same, mains will be same. Okay children, so refer textbook, classwork and worksheets also. Okay, so all the best for your exam. So take care everyone, have a nice day. Thank you.